Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Transamerica insurance policy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Transamerica insurance policy, start by gathering all necessary documents. Locate your policy number, as this is crucial for activation. Visit the official Transamerica website using your preferred web browser. Once on the home page, look for the Customer Login option, usually found at the top right corner. Click on Customer Login to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. In case you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the prompts to set up your account by providing your personal information and policy details. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Policy Activation. Carefully read any information provided regarding the activation. Enter your policy number and any additional required information in the designated fields. Review the details to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Submit your activation request. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen, indicating your policy is now activated. Check your email for a confirmation message from Transamerica, which will include details about your activated policy. If you encounter any issues, contact Transamerica customer service for assistance. Keep your policy information secure for future reference. That's it. Your Transamerica insurance policy is now activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.